Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me.
Hey everybody, check out this cute little box. This is a cubed box. It is 2.5 by 2.5 cubed, and these are one of my most favorite boxes to make because they can fit a lot of stuff. Cube boxes, super easy to make, super fun to decorate. This is using the Playing with Patterns Designer Series paper. I have a different colorway. This color here is Misty Moonlight, and I'm going to use that same base today. So you're going to need 2 pieces of cardstock. This is 7.5 by 7.5. And the lid is 4.5 by 4.5 inches. So on the base, we're going to score at 2.5 on all 4 sides. So really simple. Simple. The lid, we are going to score at 1 on all 4 sides, but I am going to use my box maker shim. And if you want to know how to make this, go to Connie Stewart's Simply Stamping YouTube channel and look up box maker shim. She has a very good tutorial on how to make this. And what this allows us to do is have the lid just slightly bigger than the box base, which will let the lid slide up and down easier. It won't bow, doesn't bow this part of the box, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so we'll score at 1 inch on all 4 sides. And make sure you're pushed right up against that box maker shim. I'm going to fold and burnish all my score lines. Okay, with my long pair of scissors, I'm going up on the score line here. I'm going to wedge out and wedge out. Then I'm going to turn it and cut up on the score line, wedge out and wedge out. And actually, I'm going back to the first one and I'm going to cut that in half. Turn it. I'm going to cut it in half. Up on the score line, this one, wedge, wedge, and then turn half. Up on the score line, wedge, wedge, and take that in half. Okay, so that's what you should look like. I call it the pinwheel. With this guy, I'm going to do the same. I will wedge out here. I'm not going to cut the tabs in half, however, but I will do the pinwheel just for continuity, but it's not necessary. The reason why we do the pinwheel is so that we have equal bulk around all of the existing, I don't know how to explain it. Basically, if I had a tab here and a tab here on, say, something big like this, the bulk would be on both sides, and then there would be a sort of a thin side. So by doing the cut on all opposite sides, basically the bulk is shared, and the box strength is still as strong as it could be, but it's not overly bulky on one side or the other. The bulk is shared. So that's what we have going on here. I'm going to grab my glue here. This is the Stampin' Seal Plus. I like to advance the adhesive, push down. I like to go close to the scored line, and then as well on the free edge, close to the score line, free edge, close to the score line, and free edge. And then same with this guy. I'm afraid with the Stampin' Seal, I do have a tendency to have to always advance it, but that is not one of my issues. I think there's been a lot more people who've had a lot more different issues because they treat this like the same adhesive that we used to have, and it's not, it's something different. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one, I'm gonna take this free edge right up to the score line and press it down, and I'm just going to go around the box and do that really quick little build here. That's the worst part, having one of the little tabs stick out. Okay, so there we are. Now you can go around with your thumb, and if you didn't put it together well, which I did pretty good. And this is the reason why you want adhesive on the scored line and the free edge. You don't want that free edge flapping around. So the inside of your box is nice and smooth and ready for whatever creation or chocolate or gift or, you know, bracelet. Ooh, wouldn't it be nice if you could have like a tennis bracelet in here? Tell you what, if I win $1 million, I'd give everybody a tennis bracelet. How do you like that? Happy birthday. All right, so I'm going around the box now here and doing the exact same thing. So let's moment of truth. Box fits nice and snug. There is no bowing, so I'm happy. All right, so let's decorate this baby up. So you are going to need 5 pieces at 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. Again, this is Playing with Patterns Designer Series paper. This has the Misty Moonlight circles on it. I don't know, but I'm kind of a sucker for circles. I think I'm much more of a dot person than a stripe person. We had a challenge in the team, my team Facebook group recently, where we were to design either a card using stripes or dots. And honestly, I think that I'm a dots person. Although these dots have stripes on them, so really, what does that say? I'm all confused now. So that was 5 pieces at 2 1/4 inches. And then because I wanted to decorate the lid, we have 3 3/4 inch by 2 1/4. And you need 4 of those because they go around the top. Super cute little build. I pre-stick my my paper so that it just makes my time go by just a little bit faster. And that is it for today. Thank you so very much for joining me. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.